To export your projects in Callipeg, you just have one way. Go to Setting. There are lots of options that you don't need to pay attention right now. You can understand most of them just by reading their descriptions. As you see, we didn't need most of them in this course. Before we export, we have to extend our project for multiple seconds. It is not loop. It starts from here and ends here. We want it to move for some more seconds. You have two ways. You can export this 1 second and extend it in other applications like Premiere, After Effects, or even LumaFusion in iPad Pro, or you can do it here with cycling. We can cycle them one by one, but here we can describe another tool. But pay a very big attention. What I'm doing is going to destroy all layer ordering. That means you cannot edit them one by one later. This is not good for this step, but it is a good opportunity to describe one more tool. I want to merge all of my layers. That means I'm combining multiple layers in one layer. I select this layer, this one, this, and the last one. Tap on one of these three dots and tap on merge icon. The tag is merge layers. I tap merge and all of my layers are one now. As you can see, I cannot edit them individually anymore. If I select eraser and start erasing, everything will erase at once. For example, I can't erase this shadow individually, so be careful before tapping on merge. For safety, I always make a duplicate of my layers and then merge one of them. Let's move on. Now we have one layer. All we should do is to select all of them, make cycle, and extend the duration for about 5 seconds. Now we have a 5-second animated video on 12 FPS. To export that, you should just tap on the gear icon here. Double check that you are on export panel. Here we have to choose. If we want a single frame export, we have to put this option on image and select which frame I want to export. If I tap on export, a single frame will be exported. Second option is to export it as a video, so we have to change this option to sequence. Now we have to select what format we want this sequence to be exported. There are lots of them you can choose, but in 90% we go with MP4. Frame rate on 12, shot size or resolution 9020 in 1080, and check if you want to export audio too. We didn't add any audio file, so no need to change this option. Hit export. Now it is asking where I want to save it. Save or share it wherever you want.